solid as a rock. Solid as a rock, yung kaya sinabi sa akin na walang ICC na makakapasok dito. Sobrang encroachment na yan sa ating sovereignty. Hindi sila inauthorize ng gobyerno natin, then andito sila, nag-conduct ng investigation, parang na tayong ginagawa ng mga tao na yan. I-report ko pa sila sa gobyerno natin na i-deport ninyo ito for undesirable alien dahil nakikialam dito sa atin. I will ask DOJ, why did it happen? Because as of the last conversation namin ng Pangulo, yun nga, I got the impression that his assurance to me is solid as a rock. At bakit ganito, ganon? If indeed yung pagpasok nila ay sanctioned by this government, authorized by this government, kaya nga masasabi ko na laban bawi itong gobyerno na ito. Kapag ganon ang mangyari, magiging inutil sila na somebody's doing something under their nose. Dapat alam nila yun.
And dapat kausapin nilang Commission on Human Rights, di ba? On human rights complaints. So, impossible na hindi sila maramdaman if they are doing an honest to goodness investigation. Dapat maramdaman sila ng gobyerno. So kung walang ganyan, that looks like wala pa sila rito. Although ako personally, I find nothing objectionable kung nandito na sila.